Hello students, today we are going to continue our chapter 5, and in this video particularly we are going to discuss about the life of people living in the Peninsular Plateau. In Peninsular Plateau we are going to study about the 9 states. These 9 states are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Odisha. As you can see on the screen also, there is marking 1, 2, and 3. In all these three areas, they are the central highlands. In the first area, yellow portion. In the second, brown portion, which is particularly to the Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka side, it is the Deccan Plateau. And to the east, northeast side, you can see the third number, orange color area, that is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. In this specific video, we are going to cover 5 states. Just giving you a brief recap, what peninsular states means those states which are covered by water from three sides. And India is a peninsular state because it is surrounded by three waters. From east it is surrounded by Bay of Bengal, at west it is surrounded by Arabian Sea, and to the south Indian Ocean is situated and surrounding it. Now, talking about the life of people in Peninsular Plateau, we will first discuss about the state Madhya Pradesh. All the details you can find in your books as well. Capital of this state is Bhopal. Language spoken is Hindi, means majority of people. When I say language spoken, it means majority of people in that state, in that particular state, speaks that language. So that language is Hindi. Famous cities which are situated in Madhya Pradesh are Khajuraho, Bhopal, Gwalior, Ujjain, and Indore. Famous food is poha and jalebi. Historical sites include Sanchi Stupa and Gwalior Fort. Rivers which flow in this state are Tapi, Narmada, Son, Chambal, Mahanadi, Betwa. I think in the chapter number Northern Plains, I discussed about tributaries of Ganga, and at that time also we discussed about the right bank tributaries, or you can say south bank tributaries. So there we studied about Son and Betwa. So I just thought to give you a recap. There is a reserve also, Kana Tiger Reserve, situated in Madhya Pradesh. Main occupation followed by people in the state is agriculture. Many mineral ores are also found: copper, coal, bauxite, and diamond. Students, minerals are found beneath the earth, and in these areas, quarrying, mining is also a part of occupation. So, there are many mineral ores situated in this state. Talking about Jharkhand, capital is Ranchi. Language spoken is Hindi, Bengali, Urdu, and Oriya. Famous cities include Bokaro, Dhanbad, and Jamshedpur. Major crops which are grown here is rice, wheat, and maize. Many minerals are found here like iron, coal, mica, bauxite, and uranium. Famous sites for which this state is famous are the Bokaro Steel Plant and Tata Steel Plant. Only one river flows, and that is Damodar. Talking about Chhattisgarh, Chhattisgarh is also known as Rice Bowl of India. Capital is Raipur, language spoken is Hindi. Famous cities are Korba, Durg, and Bhilai. Again, major crops are similar: rice, wheat, maize, but we have one addition, that is groundnut. When we talk about main occupations, so in whole peninsular plateau, main occupation remains agriculture. Then talking about river, only two river flows here, Mahanadi and Indravati. But one interesting feature about Chhattisgarh is the forest cover. 44% of the state comes under the forest cover. Minerals like iron, coal, bauxite, manganese, and limestone are found in abundance. When we talk about Maharashtra, you can clearly see its location, where it is situated. The capital is Mumbai, which is one of the busiest seaports of India and also known as financial capital of India. Languages spoken are many: Marathi, Konkani, Gujarati, English, and Hindi. Famous cities are Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Nasik, Solapur, Kolhapur, and many more. Famous food items include bhelpuri, vada pav, sev puri, and the list goes on. Historical sites include Gateway of India, which is in Mumbai city, and Ajanta Ellora caves, which are of historical value, which adds historical value to the place actually. When we talk about main occupation, it is agricultural again. Now, talking about Odisha, the capital is Bhubaneswar, language spoken is Odia. Famous cities include Puri, Rourkela, Cuttack. Main occupation is agriculture. Historical value is added by Jagannath Yatra, which is organized every year in Puri, Chelka Lake. Minerals which are found here are coal, bauxite, chromite, and iron. Rivers which flow in the state are Mahanadi and Indravati. As you can clearly see where Odisha is situated, it is situated on the eastern Ghats. And the rivers drains into Bay of Bengal. Hope this session is clear with you.